We're back at the computer. I mean Ethernet cable. That's what I figured it was an outdated video driver. So, debating whether I should go through Windows Update or if I should go to AMD. You know what, I'll go to AMD. If I go through Windows Update, it might not. This is why I always like to reformat. But I got a search bar, toolbar. That's one reason why it's going slow. Jesus Christ, their computer is so fucking slow. Come on. Then again, it may be my internet too, because my internet's been all wacky. It'll like, the indicator down here will go like halfway and it'll sit there and stay there for like 6 hours, and then it comes back and says it can't load the page. Doesn't on all computers in the house. The only way to get around that is to stop the loading and refresh the page. But this one doesn't look like it's loading at all. At all. Ooh, jeez, this thing is so slow. Not good, not good. You know what? Screw it. We're putting Firefox on here. I need to use. I don't know if it's on this drive or my other one. I have beef with Internet Explorer and I don't like it. So. It's not on that one. It's on this one. Computer itself is fast. I'm gonna put Firefox on here and see if it loads better. It loads the internet better. Because that's what all the other computers in the house run, is Firefox. Yes. Snacks. I'm doing them a favor. I'm giving them a better web browser anyway, so. I don't like using Internet Shit Explorer. I don't know if they got any bookmarks. Oh, they do have. Oh, they do got Google Chrome on here. I did not know that actually. I'm going to import their stuff into Firefox from Internet Explorer. Now we cooking. Find my driver. Oh, what the fuck is it? They told me earlier. The Radeon something. It is a Radeon HD 4250. This Windows 7 32-bit. That's just saying it's Now, can I just get the driver? Fuck. It's saying it's compatible with Windows 8, but it's only got some kind. Well, what this is saying here is it's semi-compatible, but not all the way compatible. Not like what a new one would be. It says the AMD Radeon HD 2000, 3000, and 4000s are not officially supported under Windows 8. If the user chooses to, they can install the ATI Catalyst Windows 8 drivers under Windows 7, but that is at their own risk. Please be aware that none of the Windows 8 graphics driver WDDM 1.2 features are supported. The Windows 7 level graphics driver is limited to WDDM 1.1 level support. So, basically what that tells me is it'll work, but we're not gonna fucking give you any help if you have any issues. So, at least they tell you until you gotta fucking find out the hard way. I'll never use another Intel graphics card. I won't even buy a laptop that's got one in it. I'll do that later. Oh, fuck. I forgot this is that new version of Firefox. Downloads. Well, we're going to let this download and I'll be back.